It's back. What's back? Double-digit price appreciation. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. From a regional perspective, the robust San Francisco Bay Area economy, coupled with very few homes on the market, has been driving sales prices for the last several years. Let's look at this at the community level, starting with the 880 corridor. In this area, inventory dropped on average 14% compared to last February. Sales activity was another story, with 36% more units sold compared to this time last year. And those units sold quickly. Days on market dropped from 27 to 21 days. Sales prices for this area increased on average 10%. Here's the median sales prices during February 2018 for the 880 corridor. There were 3 communities along the 880 with sales prices at or above $1 million: Berkeley, Fremont, and Union City. And Alameda, Albany, and Newark are all in the high 900s. Let's go to West Contra Costa County. More homes on the market in El Sobrante and San Pablo, but fewer homes for sale everywhere else. This mix resulted in basically no net change in inventory for the region compared to last February. Sales activity, like inventory, was mixed, with 8% more homes sold. And yes, they moved fast. Days on market dropped from 34 to 28 days. As far as prices were concerned, massive increases, 24% up from this time last year. Here's the median sales prices during February 2018 for West Contra Costa County. The big increases were in El Sobrante at $710, Richmond at $560, and San Pablo at $428. Central Contra Costa County is up next. Basically, the same number of homes for sale in this area compared to last February. The number of homes sold mirrored inventory and were essentially unchanged. Days on market did drop from 30 to 27 days. Prices were up everywhere in the area, increasing 7% from last February. Here's the median sales prices during February 2018 for Central Contra Costa County. Clayton moved well into the $800,000 range. Walnut Creek jumped up to $1.1 million. Let's check out Lamorinda. Fewer homes for sale in Lafayette and Moraga, but an 11% increase in Orinda. Units sold did jump more than 30%, but homes were on the market much longer, 44 days, a big increase compared to last February. Here's the median sales prices during February 2018 for Lamorinda. Prices for the region did increase an average of 15%, but in Lafayette they dropped from $1.44 to $1.3 million. On to the Tri-Valley. More homes on the market in Alamo and Danville, but inventory dropped everywhere else. Sales were up in San Ramon and Dublin, unchanged in Danville, and down in the other communities. Big drop in days on market from 34 to 26 days. Prices? Another double-digit increase. Prices were up in the region an average of 17% from last February. Here's the median sales prices during February 2018 for the Tri-Valley. A big increase in Alamo, with prices now at $2.6 million. Livermore and Pleasanton were also up 18 and 19% respectively to $825 and $1.22 million. The Delta, and then we're done. Inventory more than doubled in Pittsburgh, but was down slightly in Antioch. For the region, inventory increased 17%. Sales were up everywhere, 19% compared to last February. Days on market dropped just a bit to 31 days. Prices for the area were up 11%. Here's the median sales prices during February 2018 for the Delta. Pittsburgh led with a 17% increase to $480. That's it for the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. We'll see you next month.